Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable spelling suggestions in Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable spelling suggestions in Gmail, go to your Gmail account and click on gear icon on upper right corner. It's called settings. Now click on see all settings. In settings, click on general tab and then scroll down. You will find here spelling, and now spelling suggestions is turned off. You will find here another option, spelling suggestions on. Just click here. Now spelling suggestions on is selected. Now you need to scroll down and you will find an option save changes. Just click on save changes to change your settings. Now spelling suggestions is turned on or enabled in my Gmail account. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.